Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a long list of little things that I got to do to the car to get it ready for Rallycross tomorrow. First thing on that list, got to go get some oil. So let's get to work. And now we gotta shift all the cars around like normal, pull the car in here, that way we can change the oil.
Sometimes I'm so home. Sometimes I know I'm so home.
And as you probably noticed, I have different wheels on the car. So these are the Method MT501 wheels that I actually ordered a long time ago. They were way too wide for the rally tires that I ordered at the time. So I ordered some cheap Zestino rally tires. There's really nothing about these things. They're Chinese made. I don't know how well they do, but they were really cheap compared to other rally tires. From what I could tell, just driving on some random dirt roads around here, they handle way better, but I've never been on real gravel tires before, so I wouldn't know. Hopefully they hold up well. We'll see. I want to do a review on them since they were so cheap compared to other tires. Let's get the car in the air.
Sometimes I know I'm so
And time to drain the oil. And I over-tightened the oil filter. So, time to use the screwdriver and hammer trick. These are Rally Armor mud flaps off of my 06 STI that I pulled a long time ago. Obviously 06 isn't the same body style, but I will be trying to throw these on there. Should be able to make them work. Shouldn't be too difficult. Imprezas are pretty similar throughout the years. And then oil change, obviously. Yes, I have the normal Subaru like fanboy oil in the car. Seems to be good oil. I've never had any issues, so keep running it. Once I get all that done, throw the street tires back on, pack the car up for tomorrow since we got to leave pretty early in the morning. And then I'm going to go through and do like my normal inspection of the car, make sure like tie rods are tight, ball joints, the wheel bearings are tight, stuff like that. No issues that are going to be detrimental while driving there or driving on the track. I'm going to do a video on like what you want to do and check your car on before you actually go to like a rallycross or a rally or anything like that, even autocross. So stay tuned for that in the future. But for now, I'm going to take the wheels off and start mocking up how to throw these mud flaps on.
This is why I need mud flaps.
So since these aren't for this car, none of the holes really line up with the pre-existing holes that hold in the fender liner that they make it. Like that's usually how they design it. But that's not really an issue, so I'm just going to go wherever it looks right because of the fact that I'm going to redo these fender liners anyway when the car actually gets stripped. So these little spacers are probably like the most important thing that Rally Armor gives you for it, because that way it'll actually sit flush when you tighten it all the way to the inner fender well.
Sometimes I know I'm so home. Sometimes I'm so home.
Okay, so I got the last one on. The fitment wasn't great, like I said, because these are for an 06 STI, but it wasn't that bad. Obviously, when I go rack through, I'm going to actually redo the inner fender wells and put weld nuts on the back. That way they have a better mounting solution in the future. Alright, next, I'm going to go through my checklist of stuff, make sure the wheel bearing's good, tie rods, everything's tight with suspension components, and then I don't see anything weird with it. And then it should be good to throw the wheels back on, throw the drain plug back in, and the oil in, and get it back on its feet. So here's the finished product, got them on. The fitment really didn't come out that bad, looks pretty good. As you may have noticed, I got new tires for the street wheels. Went with some RE71Rs because I want to do a few autocrosses in this car before I actually strip it and cage it and go back to the stock engine. Plus the old tires weren't even holding air anymore, so it was kind of dangerous just to drive on, especially with how fast this car is now. Alright, so next up, I'm just going to be throwing the rally wheels in there, throwing in the helmets, throwing some seats in there, and whatnot. Everything for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the Rallycross. I'm not going to show you guys any of that kind of stuff because it'll be really boring. Should have the footage out soon of the Rallycross. It'll be a blast. It's been a long time in the making. Been working on this car for almost a year since the last Rallycross, so definitely going to be fun. Car is completely different. Should be a good time. Both my wife and I are racing, so it'll get a lot of work in. Hopefully everything holds out strong, but we'll see. If you like what you saw, comment, let me know. Dislike it, like it. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.